We live in a digital age. Money is changing. Cryptocurrency is at the forefront of this revolution. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are more than just buzzwords. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about finance. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional banks. Crypto offers decentralization and transparency. This creates exciting opportunities, especially for those seeking alternative income streams. One such avenue, affiliate marketing. Imagine earning passive income. You're being rewarded for sharing what you're passionate about. That's the power of affiliate marketing. In the crypto world, it's about promoting crypto-related products or services. Think crypto exchanges, wallets, trading tools, even educational courses. You share a unique referral link. When someone signs up or makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple, but is it easy? It takes effort. Building trust is key. Provide valuable content and be transparent. Don't just focus on the sale, focus on building a community. Take Sarah, for example. She started a blog about her crypto journey, sharing her experiences. She incorporated affiliate links for platforms she used and trusted. Her audience grew, so did her income. Then there's John, a crypto enthusiast who started a YouTube channel. He reviewed different trading bots, always disclosing his affiliate partnerships. His honest approach resonated with viewers. He built a loyal following and the commissions followed. These are just two of many. Success stories abound in the crypto affiliate space. They highlight the potential. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and the right approach, you can achieve financial freedom. Section 4. Diving in, your roadmap to crypto affiliate success. Ready to embark on your crypto affiliate journey? This section will guide you through the essential steps to ensure your success. Here's how to get started. First, find your niche. This is crucial because the crypto world is vast and diverse. What aspect of crypto excites you? Is it the thrill of trading, the potential of long-term investing, the innovation of NFTs, or the underlying blockchain technology? Trading, investing, NFTs, or the technology itself? Focus your efforts on what you are passionate about. Next, choose your platform. Blogging, social media, YouTube, or podcasts. The options are endless. Each platform has its unique strengths and audience. Pick one that aligns with your strengths and target audience. This will help you create more engaging and effective content. Then find reputable crypto affiliate programs. Research thoroughly to ensure you partner with trustworthy companies. Look for programs with good commission structures, reliable tracking, and strong brand reputations. These factors will impact your earnings and credibility. Now comes the fun part, content creation. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Share insights, reviews, tutorials, or comparisons. Your content should provide value to your audience. Be authentic, engaging, and informative. Your audience will appreciate your honesty and expertise. Don't forget your call to action. This is a crucial step in converting your audience into customers. Encourage your audience to check out the products or services you recommend through your affiliate links. Make it easy for them to take the next step. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful crypto affiliate. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and watch your efforts pay off. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving, so stay updated and adapt your strategies accordingly. Good luck. Section 5. Navigating the bumps, challenges, and solutions. Affiliate marketing, like any venture, comes with challenges. These challenges can range from understanding the market to dealing with competition and staying relevant. Competition is fierce in the crypto space. With so many players in the market, standing out requires strategic planning and continuous effort. Stay ahead by constantly learning, adapting, and providing unique value. Building trust is paramount. Engage with your audience and show them why they should trust you. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Transparency builds credibility and fosters long-term relationships with your audience. Focus on providing genuine value to your audience. Offer insights, tips, and information that can help them make informed decisions. Don't promote products or services you don't believe in. Patience is key. It's better to wait for the right opportunity than to rush into something that doesn't align with your values. Building a sustainable income stream takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Dedication and perseverance are essential. Stay consistent, track your results, and adjust your strategies as needed. Regularly reviewing your performance helps in making necessary improvements. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, prices can fluctuate wildly, and it's important to stay informed and prepared for these changes. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to managing risk and ensuring stability in your investments. Diversify your income streams and promote products or services you believe in for the long haul. This approach not only mitigates risk, but also builds a more resilient and reliable income source. Section 6. The future is bright, reaping the rewards. The future of crypto is bright, and so is the future of crypto affiliate marketing. With the increasing adoption of digital currencies, the market is set to expand exponentially. As the crypto market matures, more opportunities will arise. This maturation will bring stability and trust, attracting more investors and users. New products, services, and platforms will emerge, offering even greater earning potential. Innovations in blockchain technology will pave the way for groundbreaking financial solutions. Those who establish themselves early, build trust, and deliver value will reap substantial rewards. Early adopters will have the advantage of positioning themselves as leaders in the industry. Imagine earning passive income while learning and growing within a dynamic and innovative industry. The potential for financial growth is immense. That's the promise of crypto affiliate marketing. It offers a unique blend of financial opportunity and cutting-edge technology. Are you ready to unlock your financial freedom in the exciting world of crypto? The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Take the leap, stay informed, be patient, and watch your efforts flourish in this exciting new frontier of finance. Your dedication and perseverance will pay off in the long run.